student, that is 9th class mathematics. We are proceeding to exercise 6.3. So we are taking in questions. P, X, Y and B line, that is M and N. Given that A and B angle and also C. Find the value POY given that 90 degree. Find the value of ABC and A ratio B given 2:3. Find C. So students, look, in given figure we are taking let A equal to 2x, then B equal to 3x, and angles A plus B equal to 90 degree. We put value of A 2x plus 3x equal to 90 degree. We get 5x equal to 90 degree and x equal to 90 upon 5. 5 1 and 5 8 x is equal to 18 degree. So we find out the angle A. A becomes 2x, that is 2 into 18. Also we get 36 degree, and angle B 3x, 3 into 18, that is 54 degree. So when look here, this MON is a straight line. So make straight angle. So B plus C equal to 180 degree be the straight angle. And put the value of B, that is 54 degree, plus C equal to 180 degree, and C equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree, we get 126 degree. We get an answers. So student, in this question, given figure this becomes, that is the 90 degree also given, so A plus B also 90 degree. We are taking A plus B 90 degree. And ratio of between two angles, that is A ratio B, that is 2:3. Let A equal to 2x and B equal to 3x. Put these values, we get the value of x, that is 18 degree. But we know that MON is a straight line. We make a standard angle. So B plus C, this and this makes an 180 degree. And put the value of B 54 degree, we get C 126 degree. So student, solve this question easily. We are taking another question. Given figure P, Q and 2 rays Q, Z, Y. We given that x and x becomes equal and 64. We find out the value of x and reflex of this. Find angle XYQ and find reflex angle QYR. So students, look here, PYQ is a straight line and we make a straight angle, that is x plus 64 equal to 180 degree. So 2x plus 64 equal to 180 degree and 2x equal to 180 degree minus 64. 2x is equal to, that is 116 degree and x equal to 116 upon 2. 2 5 ja 2 8 ja, x equal to 58 degree. For student, we find the value of x, that is 58 degree, and find XYQ. XYQ becomes an that is the x YQ. X YQ is the x plus angle. This angle XYQ can be written as x plus 64 degree. Put the value of x 58 and 64 degree. So that is 1 to 122 degree. We get an answers. And reflex of QYP, QYR. We are given that reflex of QYP becomes x. QYP equal to x equal to 58 degree, and reflex angle QYP equal to 360 minus 58, that is 302 degree. We get an answers. So students, look, for this question we given that x and x both are equal and 64. This is the straight line. So make a straight angle. X plus x 64 equal to 180 degree, and x plus x, that is 2x plus 64 equal to 180 degree. 64 we place in right side, we get a minus 64 degree. So 2x equal to 116 degree and x equal to 116 upon 2, that is 58 degree. We find out the value of XYQ and reflex of QYP. XYQ means x plus 64. XYQ, that is x plus 64. Put the value of x here, we get 122 degree. And QYP means equal to x equal to 58. Reflex of QYP means 360 minus given angle 58 degree, that is 302 degree. We get an answers. Students, at last given some homework. So student, try to remaining questions of exercise 6.3. Student, try these questions. If any problems, you contact me. Thanks a lot.